Paul Volcker raised rates to 20%, 4 times in less than 2 years in the 1980s. Of course, the market came crashing down when he did that, and the economy came to a halt. Jay Powell, even Lael Brainerd, is unlikely to want to do that sort of thing.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at what's priced in, I think the current terminal rate that's priced in is 1.75%, far cry from 20%. And to your point, Jay Powell, I don't think he's going to raise rates that much. The market doesn't either. A Brainerd Fed certainly wouldn't expect a ton of rate hikes
even
out of
more
that
dovish,
regime.
you might think.
I mean,
yeah.
That's the Wall Street consensus. Either candidate would be responding to the inflation that's on the ground. But I mean, the Fed is in an interesting position because before the pandemic, they introduced this new framework, this flexible average inflation targeting. They've really trying to stick to their guns here that they're going to let inflation overshoot. I don't think that they could have looked into the future, into their crystal ball and seen, a 6% handle on CPI. I don't think that was in the offing when they made that decision.
I love this story because you get a sense of how ominous a situation we're in for Wall Street strategists. I mean, if they make the call and it's wrong, that they're just gone, right? If they make the call and they're right, they could be superheroes like John Paulson or Michael Burry, and they're the kind of names that we remember and will continue talking about for decades.
Absolutely. There is some optimism here that you're alluding to that, yeah, this could kill your portfolio, your returns, but you could also be a hero. This could make your career. But in terms of that uncertainty, I love if you just look at the 21 forecasters that Bloomberg tracks, their year-end targets for the S&P 500, the highest is at 4,800. The lowest is at 3,800. That's a 1,000-point gap, and that just really speaks to there's not really a consensus here.
Yeah, what is that, like a 26%
26%
spread?
Yeah.
Great story, Katie. Congratulations on the Bloomberg Business Week.